gas you need.
Yep.
It's logical, isn't it? The power the car needs to get its weight up that hill. What you need to do is set your gas and set it to about, yeah, sounds good. That sounds nice. Look at that. Now you're going to find your bite with the clutch. So gas goes down, clutch comes up. Okay, and what you're going to do is, if you release the handbrake now and we start rolling back, you're going to go clutch down, brake.
Yep.
If you release the handbrake now and we start rolling forwards, you're going to very, very gently keep coming off the clutch.
Okay.
Alright, when you're ready. Good. Clutch down and brake. Oh,
Timmy survived!
you were supposed to stay to the left though.
Yeah, I was.
You
Yeah.
will let us go, girl.
Yeah.
Handbrake up and let's try it again. That was a very nice hill start. Look at this. Yep, it's safe. Oh my goodness. Damn, girl. Ooh,
I tucked back in a little bit.
that was a little bit of a chef's kiss one, that was. Very nice, very,
What
very
did
nice.
I say about compliments?
Oh,
At
no.
the end.
I'm sorry. I kind of duped it. When
Control
you're ready,
yourself.
let's do it again. I keep it firmly buttoned.
Just go. Yeah, you can do that.
And stop. Yeah, that was absolute crap, Becky.
Thank you.
All right. So,
That's how we work.